Creating links to email is just as easy as the others. Let's open contact.html. Highlight the text info@wildvintage.com. That is the make-believe email address of our client. We want it to link so that when a person clicks on it, it will directly open their Outlook so they can send an email. That way, the user doesn't need to type in the address. From the insert panel at the right, choose Email Link. An email link pop-up dialog box appears. In this case, we'll keep the text the same, but sometimes in your design, you might want to choose different text as the hyperlink. Click OK. That's it. You can preview it in Design View or test it out in a browser. Once in the browser, you can see the email address is now blue and underlined. That is the default appearance of hyperlinks in HTML, and when the mouse hovers over it, a hand appears. When you click on it, Microsoft Outlook will automatically open with the email address preloaded in the To line.